So I have a Honda Odyssey here. This one, I have a new used door sitting on it right now. We had some storms come through recently and something fell on this one. I don't know if it was a tree limb or what, but it crushed this right here and it completely destroyed the old door. And you can see this is in quite a bit right here. It surprisingly didn't get into the roof, just this spot right here. So I'm gonna work this metal back into shape. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zap some keys right along the edge right here. I'll probably have to do this edge too, but I'm gonna start right here. And I'm gonna put a bridge across there and use that to pull this out. There it is. It's lining up with the top of the door. Very nice now. So I'm ready to do some fill work on this. I'm gonna add just a touch of glaze to a little spot right here. There it is. I was just double checking, making sure it looked good, lines up with the door nice. So this is ready for primer. I gotta fix a few spots on this used door and take it all apart, and this one will get primed up.